So guys, in this video, we will do some practical example. So we can do one project which is called FizzBuzz. So basically, what is FizzBuzz? FizzBuzz is a well-known short program which, if the user enters some number, for example, the remainder of that number is 3 and 5, then it will always return FizzBuzz. If the remainder is 3, then it will return only Fizz. If the remainder is 5, then it will return only the buzz. So how we can develop such program in Python? So let's start. So FB means FizzBuzz. Okay, so input, like user will input something. Okay, so now I declare a function FB. Now what I want to do, I want to implement some logic in this function. So to do that, if input, then now I have some different keyboard layouts, or sometimes I also get stuck. 3. Okay, so if the remainder is 3, okay, and the another condition would be like input, if remainder is equals to 5, oh sorry, if the remainder of 5 is equals to 0, then what it will do, it will simply return something. What it will return? It will return FizzBuzz. Okay, so now what it does means, like we create a function FB FizzBuzz, which is taking some input as a parameter, and in if condition we declare some kind of logic. If the input remainder is 3 or 5, 3 and 5, then what it will return? It will return as FizzBuzz. What if, now let me copy this logic to save some time. What if the logic is, if user input only the 3, then it will return only the Fizz, not buzz. But let me copy this condition also. Now we also need some condition for 5 as well. Now it will return buzz. Okay, so now our function is complete. We should return something from the function. Okay, so now our function is complete. So this is good exercise to understand how functions are working and how you can use if else within the function. And now it's time to execute this project. So I use it FB input. Now what input? If user input something like 3, what it will return? Let's see. It will return Fizz. Okay, so it fulfills this condition. Okay, because 3 has like its remainder is 0. Or if I write something like 15, like in 15 it can be divided by 3 or 5, both, it should return FizzBuzz. Look, it will return us FizzBuzz. What if I do like this 5, then it will return buzz. Look, we got out buzz in the output. So what we learn, we saw like if the input 5 is like 3 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. Similarly 5 divided by 5 is equal to 0, the remainder is 0. Okay, for like 15 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 5, okay, then remainder will be 0, so it returns FizzBuzz. What if I write some number for which I don't get any remainder? For example, 7 is not divided by either 5 or 3, or so what would be the output? Let's compile it. Look, we got the 7. We didn't get like FizzBuzz or buzz or fizz because the condition was not fulfilled. So this is how you can create your own little projects in Python. So we learned something important today. So guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.